Hello, Council. Today's topic is the intricacies of forming a three-member arbitral tribunal and the delicate balance of power that comes with it. In the last episode, we talked about the importance of party autonomy and the need for impartiality when selecting arbitrators. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the challenges and dynamics of forming a three-member tribunal, a common setup in international arbitration. So, you've got two parties, each with the right to appoint one arbitrator. This sounds straightforward, but the process can become complicated, especially when the parties have different perspectives or even outright hostility toward one another. In a three-member tribunal, the two-party appointed arbitrators will jointly select the presiding arbitrator who will lead the tribunal. This third arbitrator plays a crucial role in maintaining balance and ensuring that neither side feels disadvantaged. But what happens when the parties can't agree on their arbitrators? What if the two arbitrators selected by the parties can't agree on who should preside? These scenarios can lead to delays, which is why it's important to approach the formation of the tribunal strategically. The key here is to maintain a balance of power while also ensuring that the process doesn't get bogged down by disagreements or tactical maneuvers. One of the biggest challenges in forming a three-member tribunal is when the parties are hostile to one another. In such cases, each party might select an arbitrator who they believe will favor their position. This can lead to a deadlock when it comes time to choose the presiding arbitrator. This is where the rules of the arbitration institution or the arbitration agreement become crucial. They often provide mechanisms for resolving such deadlocks, whether through appointing an arbitrator directly or through another method. But it's important to remember that while party autonomy is a cornerstone of arbitration, it should not be used to tip the scales unfairly or to obstruct the process. Let's revisit the concept of impartiality. While each party-appointed arbitrator might be expected to understand the appointing party's perspective, they must still remain impartial and neutral. This is not just a matter of ethics. It's essential for maintaining the legitimacy of the arbitration process. The presiding arbitrator, in particular, must be someone who can command the trust of both parties. But impartiality doesn't just rest on the individual arbitrators. The entire process of tribunal formation must be conducted in a way that fosters trust. If one party feels that the tribunal is stacked against them from the start, the arbitration is likely to face challenges down the line, whether through attempts to remove an arbitrator or even in the enforcement of the final award. Forming a three-member tribunal is about more than just filling seats. It's about creating a balanced and fair process that all parties can trust. While party autonomy allows each side to have a say, this power must be exercised responsibly with an eye toward maintaining the integrity and neutrality of the tribunal. Well, that's it for today. Keep these principles in mind as you navigate the complexities of international arbitration, and I'll see you in the next episode.